Hello guys, welcome to UMath Academy. These are going to be the never before and ever after video lectures. So let's move on. So if you haven't watched the previous video lectures in this series, then please go through them so that you will have a clear understanding of this course. Okay. So the links of the previous videos will be in the description, or else you can find an I symbol at the top of the video. You can click on that. Please go through them. Please like, share, and subscribe to UMath Academy. So let's start our ninth video lecture in this series. So previously we have discussed various other methods, and we have also discussed crisscross method, which is also known as universal method. You can apply it for anything. Okay, any multiplication you can apply it. So in this crisscross method we have discussed two parts, part 1 and part 2, where we have discussed methods like how to solve 2 into 2, like 2d into 2d. Okay, 2d into 2d, 3d into 2d. Okay, and 3d into 3d. Okay, we have discussed how to do these type of multiplications. So like examples of these are like 67 into 37. This is 2d into 2d, and 3d into 2d is 678 into 37. This is one more example. And the other example is that 3d into 3d, 678 into 378. So we have discussed how to solve. So the trick has been like almost similar, but few extra changes like adding one more cross, or we have newly introduced star. Like in 3d into 3d we have discussed how to, like, we have discussed star method also, right? So if you haven't watched them, then please go to them, only then you can watch this video. Okay, so that you'll have like clear understanding. Okay, now we'll see how to solve 4d into 2d like this. In this today's video lecture we'll be discussing 4d into 2d. Is just simple, like it is as simple as like 2d into 2d, 3d into 2d. It is just simple, but we'll just add one more cross. Okay, like who have followed like previous video lectures, like you might get an idea how to solve 4d into 2d without me seeing. Okay, so I'll just show you what is the trick here. So the example here is, okay, I'll just use the blank screen so that 6725 into 37. Okay, so how to solve this one? 6725 into 37, 5 into 37, right? Okay, into 37. So how do we do this? Okay, so it is simple. So how will you solve 2d into 2d like this? 67 into 37, how did we do this? It is just simple, straight, cross, straight. Okay, and how did we solve 3d into 2d? It is also same, but we added one more cross. That is like 672 into 37. How did we do this? We have introduced one more cross. That's it. So it is going to be straight, cross, cross, and straight. Now for the 14 to do 2d, it's going to be the same, but we are going to add one more cross. Okay, so like the trick is the same. So I have discussed how to solve, like if I come up with 5d into 2d, like you are going to solve that also, because I have discussed the hint how to solve these type of problems, like how to know like when to add one more cross and when not to. I have discussed it in the previous video lectures, like I have given an hint. Okay, so please go through them. Now I'll just discuss how to solve this one. Okay, so the first step is the first two numbers 5 and 7 we are going to do straight. Okay, so we are going to start from this direction, you all know that. And the next thing is, so we'll just do this. Okay, 7 5 is 35. Okay, now the next step is going to be, I'll just okay, the next step is going to be cross. Okay, now 7 into 2, 7 into 2 is going to be 14, and 3 into 5 is going to be 15, and do not forget to add carry, which is 3. So the answer is 32, right? 14 plus 15 29, 29 plus 3 is 32. So write 2 over here and 3 here. We are gonna cancel out this 3. Now the next step. So the next step is going to be cross again, but this cross is going to be like this 7. So 7 into 7, 2 into 3. 7 into 7 is going to be 49, and 2 into 3 is going to be 6, and we have to add carry also. So the answer is 49 plus 6 is 55. 55 plus 3 is 58. Okay, 58. So write 8 over here and 5. Cancel out this carry 3. So now the next step is also is going to be the same, but we have to shift the cross. That's it. So so the next step is going to be like this. So 7 into 7. Okay, sorry, 7 into 6. Okay, I'll just erase this one so that you won't be confused. Okay, so we have discussed this straight, this cross, and now we are going to do we are going to shift one place for every other cross. We are going to shift one place to the left. Okay, so the next cross is going to be like this. So I guess you have understood. Okay, now 7 into 6 is going to be 42. 3 into 7 is going to be 21. Okay, 42 plus 21 is going to be 63, but 63, and we should also add carry to that. So 63 plus 5 is going to be 68. So 6 over here and 8 over here. Now the last step, as you know, the last step should always be like when we come through the last two numbers, these are the last two numbers, right? So we have to do it straight. Okay, so 6 into 3 is going to be 18, plus do not forget to add carry, so it's going to be 24. So the answer is 248825. I guess you understood. Like it might be a little bit tricky, but like you will be finding it difficult with these places, with these crosses right over here. But when you practice a lot, you will be like you won't be confused. Now let's cross check the answer. 248825, right? So yeah, we got the same answer, 248825. Now the next problem, 2945 into 67. Okay, 2945 into 67. Okay, now how are we going to do this? So it's same 40 into 2d, right? So it's going to be, the first step is going to be straight. Okay, straight. 7 5s is going to be 35. Okay, now the next step is, sorry, so the next step is going to be cross like this. Okay, 7 4 is 28, 5 6 is 30, and we should add carry 3. So it's going to be 33 to 61. Okay, 61, 1 year and 6 over here. We are going to cancel out 3. Now the next step is going to be again cross like this. So see, we are shifting one place every time. Okay, first place was like this. I'll just show you. So first thing was like this. Okay, first place was this one, but now see, now the next step is going to be like this. Okay, I hope you understood. Like I have differentiated using thick line and thin line. Okay, so the next step is this thin line. Okay, 7 9s is going to be 63. Okay, 63 plus 6 4s is going to be 24, plus we should also add carry. So 63 plus 24 is 87, plus 6 is 93. So 3 over here, 9 over here, cancel out 6. Now the next step. So I'll just erase. So the next step is going to be like we are going to shift one more place. So like this. Okay, so 7 2s are 14, plus 6 9s are 54, plus carry is 9. So what are we going to get? 77. 77 7 over here, 7 over here, cancel out 9. Now the last step is going to be straight. 6 2 is 12 plus we should add 7 carry 19. So the answer is 197315. So see, so we got the correct answer 197315. So the last problem in this video lecture we'll solve that also. So I think by now like you got idea how to solve. Okay, 9297 into 12. So the trick is straight cross 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 till the last number we have to do cross, and when we come up with the last two numbers we are going to do straight again. Okay, the first one is always straight and the last one is always straight. Okay, now in the middle we are going to do cross. Okay, now see, so the first one is cross straight, right? So 7 2 is going to be 14, and the next step is cross. So 2 9 is 18, 18 plus 7 1 is 7, so 18 plus 7 is going to be 25, plus we should also add this carry, right? Okay, so it's going to be 26. So 6 over here, 2 over here. Now so we should do the next carry. Okay, so the next carry is going to be, so we have completed this one. So the next one is again cross, so we are going to do it like this. So I've just erased. So we are going to shift 1 plus to the left. Okay, 2 2 is 4 plus 9 1 9 is 9 plus 2 the carry, so it's going to be 15. Okay, now the next step is again cross this one. Okay, so it's going to be like that. I'll just erase this one, right? It's going to be like this. 2 9 is 18 plus 2 plus 1 carry, so it's going to be 21. Cancel out these. Now the last step is going to be straight again. So 9 1 is 9. So 9 1 is 9, and we have to add carry, that is 2, right? So 9 1 is 9 and we have to add carry, so it is going to be 11. The answer is 311564. We'll just cross check this. So the answer is 311564. So we got the correct answer. So it's just simple. The trick is straight cross 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 and straight. So this is the trick, this is the hint over here. Okay, so similarly if we are doing 5D into 2D, 5D into 2D, what is the trick is what will be the change? So we just have to add one more cross over here. So we just have to add one more cross over here. So it's going to be straight cross 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 and straight. So this is how it's going to be for 5D into 2D. So hope you understood. Now then so we have finished how to do 4D into 2D. Like we'll just discuss about 4D into 3D and 4D into 4D like in next video lectures in this series. Okay, so please watch, keep watching all the video lectures we will be uploading. Okay, so these are some of the practice questions. These hardly take like 2 to 3 minutes to solve all of them. So please do solve and comment down in the comment box. Okay, so the only impossible journey is the one you never begin. So please practice as many problems as you can, and do not stop in between. Follow each and every video lecture we upload, so that you won't be missing any part of this series. Okay, so thank you. Like, share and subscribe to UMath Academy, and please stay tuned for our next video lectures. Thank you.